Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered what happens when an elderly man tries Viagra for the first time? Well, you're in for a treat today. Let me take you on a hilarious and enlightening journey with our star of the show today, Grandpa Joe. First off, let's talk about what Viagra is and how it works. It's a medication used to treat erectile dysfunction by increasing blood flow to certain areas of the body, particularly the male genitalia. Pretty straightforward, right? Now Grandpa Joe, being the adventurous spirit he is, has decided to give it a whirl. But don't worry, he's consulted his doctor and got the green light. Safety first, folks. Alright, so here we go. The moment of truth. Step 1. Take the pill with a glass of water. Easy peasy, right? Grandpa Joe pops the pill, takes a swig, and drumroll please, waits. The anticipation is real. Now Viagra doesn't work instantly. It usually takes about 30 to 60 minutes to kick in. So, patience is key. So while we wait, let's see what Grandpa Joe is up to. How does he pass the time? Cut to Grandpa Joe, lounging on his recliner, flipping through the channels on TV and watching reruns of his favorite shows. Classic. Ah, the good old days, he mutters, reminiscing about his youth. Suddenly, he feels a tingle, a strange but exciting sensation. Is it working? He wonders. He checks his watch. It's been 45 minutes. Then, bam! The moment of truth. Grandpa Joe starts to feel the effects. A newfound confidence washes over him. He stands up, a bit wobbly at first, and looks down. A mix of curiosity and excitement on his face. "Well, hello there," he exclaims with a grin, feeling a sense of pride and amusement. Feeling adventurous, he decides to take a walk around the house, every step filled with newfound energy. As he strolls, he feels like a new man. It's like a second lease on life. Confidence levels through the roof, folks. Grandpa Joe is on cloud 9, he even gives Grandma a cheeky wink. Oh, the charm. She raises an eyebrow, clearly amused and perhaps a bit intrigued. Now it's important to remember that Viagra isn't a magic pill, it comes with its own set of considerations. There are potential side effects like headaches, flushing, or even dizziness. Always be cautious. Fortunately, Grandpa Joe feels just fine, no adverse effects for him. Cut to the next morning, the sun is shining and Grandpa Joe is feeling great. Grandpa Joe wakes up with a big smile on his face. A night well spent, he thinks. That was quite the adventure, he chuckles to himself, feeling a sense of accomplishment. He sits down for breakfast and shares his experience with Grandma, every detail, every laugh. They both laugh, reminiscing about their younger days, the bond between them stronger than ever. So, what's the takeaway here? What have we learned from Grandpa Joe's adventure? Viagra can be a game changer for some, but it's crucial to use it responsibly and under medical supervision. Always consult your doctor. And remember folks, age is just a number. It's all about how you feel inside. Grandpa Joe sure proved that. He's living proof that life can be full of surprises at any age. Thanks for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun content. See you next time.